Hi friends, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Martyna and welcome to another episode of Craftmas, which is a little series here on my channel that I am doing in December this year, and this is a new video every other day and we do a lot of crafty things together. So for today's video I thought we could do a little bit of junk journaling in my personal junk journal. This is the paper bag journal, which I made obviously from a paper bag inspired by Barbara from 49 Dragonflies, and the process of me making this journal is actually on Patreon. We made it together with my patrons, but I also shared the flip through with you guys here over on YouTube, and we've already had, I think, a couple of process videos in this journal. And so I am going to be doing a few kind of random spreads in this journal. I am loving having a bag, like the paper bag part of this journal in the front, where I keep all of the ephemera and photos that I like to that I want to then add to the journal. So I have it on hand, and yeah, it's definitely something that I'm going to try to incorporate into my future journals, even if they are not going to be paper bag journals. I just want to kind of try to figure out a way like to have a large enough pocket in the journal itself to keep all of my ephemera, because otherwise I just have it all over the place, and when I sit down and want to actually journal, then I am unable to find anything. So this first spread here I am going to dedicate to or devote to Taperology. So recently I've shared with you guys a haul from Taperology. They very kindly reached out to me and sent me the most beautiful package of stunning crafty goodies, and so I've been using them in the past few videos, and as always, just in case you guys haven't heard me talk about this before, if you are interested in anything from Taperology, I have a coupon code in the description box of this video, and also I have links to some of the things that I got from them and I absolutely love. And you guys can purchase them there, and these are affiliate links, which means I will receive a small commission from your purchase if you use my link at no additional cost to you. So yeah, I just thought I would do this spread with some of the packaging on the right hand side. I got this Happy Holidays card from them and the wax seal, which is really pretty, and then I also had some random packaging from the ephemera pieces that I got in a package. So I put it all on the right hand side, and here on the left I am first using one of the label stickers that also came in a package, and I love them so much. I had them previously, like I got them somewhere else, I don't remember where, but I love them. I use them all up and I'm so happy to have a new pack. So I used one of them to just stamp Taperology using my letter stamps, alphabet stamps, and I got them on Amazon or AliExpress, but you can find them on both places. Then I am going to be using some of my favorite, like this washi tape. You guys, if you've seen any of my recent journaling videos, I use this particular washi tape everywhere. This is I believe the MT washi tape. I think this is what this brand is called, and this is like those embroidered flowers. It looks like a ribbon with embroidered flowers, and I got it locally. Well, not locally, I got it online, but in a Polish shop. I think it was Eskribo.pl for any of my Polish viewers, but you can definitely get it in other places. I think I've seen it on Jet Pens, and Washi Wednesday also, I think, has these washi tapes, and I've been using it on like every single page, and I am still absolutely in love with it. And it wasn't like the cheapest washi tape that I ever got, definitely not, but you get so much of this washi tape on one roll, which I really appreciate. And also it's quite sticky, which is not a given with washi tapes, and very often I don't even have to use like additional adhesive like I do sometimes. So I really love this one. And here, this stunning like dried flowers, huge stickers are also from Taperology, and I really wanted to add one of those, but I didn't want to cover up everything, so I chose this one because I still see the text on the packaging on the bottom of the page, and also the text on the card that I got from them. And then, of course, I had to use the rub-ons. These rub-ons, I think, are my favorite product, and especially using them this way, which is on fabric. They transfer beautifully. They are great quality. I love them so much, and you also probably have seen me use them a few times before, but this is kind of the first time that I am using them in my like personal journal, and not like an art journal or something like that. So I just wanted to document my love for them, so I chose one which I thought that the colors went well with what I had. I transferred it to this piece of fabric. And I am using just a stapler to attach it to the page. I also wanted to do a little bit of a swatch of some different like fabrics and papers that I got in this haul. So that's what I am going to be doing here. And in the meantime, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who is watching those Craftmas videos. I'm so happy you guys seem to be really enjoying them, and I am definitely enjoying filming them and chatting with you. And I've already started to reply to some of your comments, and thank you so much to everyone who just leaves a nice comment. Even if I don't respond right away, I always read your guys' comments, and they always just make me, I don't know, just they make my day, you know, they make me happier, they make me smile, and they make me also feel like a bit more confident about what I'm doing here, because I love to connect with you guys in the comments. And I also really loved reading about your what's the word, about in the last video, I believe, or 2 videos ago, I asked you guys about how the weather is, how the climate is during Christmas and December where you are, and it was so interesting to me. I especially am so like fascinated by how things are in the United States, which by which I mean that this is, you know, one country, and you guys get so many different like climates there in all of the different regions. This is absolutely fascinating to me, because here in Poland we mostly have like the same thing. We of course have more like colder places and a little bit warmer, but when it's winter, it's winter all over the country. But then obviously when you look at the world map and you see how incredibly big the United States is in comparison to like Europe, like the whole continent, and that puts things in a perspective. And so I've already been in the United States once, which I am so grateful for, on a trip. This was quite a few years ago. I think it was 2014 or 2015, and it was incredible, and I would definitely like to visit again, and maybe visit some other regions, or maybe even the same, because I absolutely love everything that I visited. We went to like 4 states. We were there 3 weeks or maybe a little more. This was like a road trip type of trip. So we started in California, then we went up to we especially focused on national parks. So we went to Nevada, Utah, and Arizona, yeah, and then back to California and back home, and it was the time of my life. So I am really hoping to visit again one day, and maybe visit some other places. But yeah, so while I've been chatting, I am already working on another page here in my journal, and so on the left hand side I just have a cute photo of my sister holding Zuzia, and I love her little face, Zuzia's face. Like, she looks so proud to be just carried like that. I think she looks so cute. And then on the right hand side I have a few ephemera pieces that I got in my Hobonichi, or their Hobonichi. If you don't know, it's this Japanese brand of planners and journals, and so I decided to give myself a gift for birthday this year, and I ordered the 5-year journal from Hobonichi. And I am so excited with it. I already love it. I actually already started filling it in, even though it's like it starts in 2023 for the next 5 years. But I am using the not sure if you guys know how those journals look, but basically the setup is that on the left hand side you have the 5 spaces for the 5 consecutive years, and the right page is blank, and you can do whatever you wish on there. And so I started in November filling it in for 2022 on this right hand side, so I already have some things there, and I am really enjoying it. I'm also I'm thinking about my journaling situation and my journal plans for the next year, because I've been trying daily journaling this year, and while I love the idea of daily journaling and just what's the word, documenting all the little moments throughout the day, I really love it. I once again, because this is not the first time I've tried daily journaling, I once again decided that, or like I'm seeing that it's just so much work for me, and so this is a huge commitment. So I have so much respect to anyone who does daily creative journaling, because for me it's just, I don't think it's doable. So coming to this new year, I think I'm going to try doing daily journaling in this 5-year journal, which I'm really looking forward to it. And then I will just do my other journaling in my notebooks and my junk journals like I am doing now, but these aren't going to be not necessarily daily, you know, so I will just journal whenever I feel like it, whenever I want to do it. And in order to keep up with my 5-year journal, I have this running note on my phone where I jot down a few things that happened on each day, and so I am going to keep it up, and then if I want to do some creative journaling, I can always look back at those notes, and I will remember what happened. So here are the completed pages. This one, in this particular one, I was actually documenting the things that I received from Daphne's diary throughout this year, which I am also really grateful for. So a lot of like stationery, documenting some things that I very kindly received, and some things that I got myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this journal process video. Thank you again. Thank you so much for all of your nice comments and for being with me through Craftmas. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon, because in 2 days time we will have our next Craftmas video. And so far, have a wonderful rest of your day, and see you soon in the next one. Bye.